Let's go. Let's check those cards. Japanese. English. Japanese. English. Pre-release cards. Another pre-release cards. Japanese SR. English Raditz. Shenron from SO7. Beautiful card. Rare FB Auto. Release from FB Auto. Rare, super rare with 1 star. Parallel. Another Shenron marker. Let's go to English. Packs. English packs. Vegeta. Shenron again. From SB Auto. (2024-2025) Bandai. Oh, Goku. This was released for, if I'm not mistaken, special edition binder. 5 pieces. Beautiful card. English card. Next, the legendary GT Son Goku. Forever in our memories. This was the what do you call this? This is the most memorable part in GMA 7 Dragon Ball. They say hanggang sa muling pagkikita mga bata, paalam. This one. Beautiful card. Next, Shenron again. Next, BT10. That is 2. Foil and non-foil. 2 cards, foil, non-foil. Next, this one I pulled this in FBO6 SER. Next, edition pack, single pack. This come with these 2 packs, special edition. Right now the price of this card in the market, if I'm not mistaken, is 4,000 to 5,000. If you base in the Japanese selling card, which price range is 2.5 above, but no stock. It's hard to pull this because this is a limited packs given in the event. These 2. Son Gohan, Son Goku. They are selling this, some of these packs which has no star, or the but this is just 2 star, these packs. Okay, next one, Vegeta. Next one, the pre-release packs. This was get on my some events na pre-release cards. The last one for Japanese is this triple card, E99, E41, sorry, marker. It's a Braille card. Probably the price range of this is almost 3K above to 5K. Depends on the seller. Beautiful card. You see that? When you pass this PGS, possible block 10. I'm just joking. Beautiful card. That's for the Japanese. And this is the last one for the Middle English, the pre-release card. Pre-release card also. And this will be the last 2 for English. A beautiful card. Oops. The Shenron and the Shenron. Do you want to build Shenron? Just like that. Wow. This will be the promo card, golden card. I have extra card for this. Do you see this? I have extra. So that's why I'm selling this. Both. So I'm gonna pass this for BGS. This one. Then I'm gonna sell this. Also, I have another setup to do you call this? Tugo. Yeah. And the paalam moment. I know I have that. Another paalam moment. I'm not mistaken. Here. Paalam moment. Paalam. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita mga bata. So these are some of my cards. I have so ganito lang tayo. See you again in my next vlog. Goodbye. Bye.